A very good morning to one and all. Myself, Professor Chetan Gupta, SIRT, the SAGE Group, and today I am going to discuss about a subject that is a basic computer engineering, and we are discuss about a topic that is network devices. If we talk about the network devices, the first network device is a repeater. A repeater operates at the physical layer. Its job is to generate the signal over the same network before the signal become too weak or corrupted, so as it to extend the length to which the signal can be transmitted over the same network. An important point to be noted about the repeater is that they do not amplify the signal. When the signal become weak, they copy the signal bit by bit and regenerate it at the original strength. It is a two-port devices. If we talk about in general what is repeater, so repeater is basically a device which regenerate the signal before it becomes the weak. Basically, it is used to transmit the data for a long distance transmission. It do not regenerate the message. Basically, it's provide a way by which we regenerate it and transmit for a longer distance. The second network device is a hub. A hub is basically a multi-port repeater. A hub connect multiple wires coming from different branches. For example, the connector in star topology, which connect the different station hub, cannot filter data. So the data packet are sent to all the connected devices. In other words, the collision domain of all the hosts connected through the hub remain one. All say they do not have the intelligence to find out the best path for the data packet, which lead to the insufficiency and the wastage. The third, the type of hubs is basically active hub, passive hub, and the intelligent hub. These are the three category of the hub. The next network devices is a bridge. A bridge operates at the data link layer. A bridge is a repeater with add on the functionality of the filter content by reading the MAC address of the source and destination. It is also used for interconnecting two LANs working on a same protocol. It has a single input and single output port, thus make it two-port devices. In the given diagram, what we have seen that one bridge is lies between the two hubs, and that hub contain multiple devices. So bridge can be worked between the two hubs. The another network device is a switch. A switch is a multi-port bridge that can boost its efficiency and performance. A switch is a data link layer device. The switch can perform error checking before forwarding data that make it very efficient, as it does not forward packets that have error and forward good packets selectively or correct port only. In other words, switch divides collision domain of host, but broadcast domain remains same. These are the some kind of a network devices. Another important device is a router. A router is the most important device because it decides the path of a data packet. As per definition, a router is a device like switch that route data packet basically on their IP addresses. Root is mainly a network layer device. Router normally connect LAN and WAN together and have a dynamically updating routing table based on which they make decision on routing the data packets. Router divide broadcast domain of a host connecting through it. Basically, router is an internetworking devices which is used for transmitting the data packet from source to destination. Each and every router contains the address of his neighbor router to transmit the data packet to its correct destination. Each router maintained its routing table, which contained the address of the next router that are in the range. The another device is a gateway. A gateway, as a name suggests, is a passage to connect two different network together that may work upon the different networking models. They are basically work as the messenger agent that take the data from one system, interrupt it, and transfer it to the another system. Gateway are also called protocol converter, and it operate at any network layer. Gateway are generally more complex than the switch and the router. These are the some network devices. In next lecture, we will cover the next lectures or next topic about the computer network. Thank you. Thank you so much.